A civil authority has issued a civil the National Weather Normal Program has discontinued.
Has been transmitted by the U.S. government. A mandatory evacuation has been placed from the explosion of the power plant. The explosion was caused from this mysterious creature called a demon. Demons have red skin, red horns, yellow eyes, and red tails to fly with. If you see these creatures in your area, call 911 immediately. Don't panic as it will make it worse. Stay tuned for further updates to this situation.
Local10.com. From Sony Picture Studios, it's America's Game.
Civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Phoenix, Arizona. There was this child that's been kidnapped and was last seen with turquoise eyes, blonde hair, weighing 23 pounds at age 5 years old. If you have seen this child previously, please call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for further updates of the situation.
It could have been faces then, but it turned out to be...
The following message was transmitted by the request of the South Dakota Emergency Management Agency. All South Dakota residents should stay away from water products as there will be unknown side effects. Also stay away from banks, parks, and basements as there are some strange things going on right now. Stay tuned for further updates to this situation.